Genuine Perkins parts support predictable maintenance schedules. This allows for better planning by customers, so they can depend on the Perkins part, but they can actually better plan the service events and the maintenance events. So it's designed to last. It's going to last the interval, and it's going to last over the maintenance period. So you can generally plan maintenance better with a Perkins genuine part. Every Perkins part comes with a 12-month warranty, and it's also supported by our expertly trained team of Perkins service technicians as well, and product support representatives. That's really important to customers because the time of service technicians and time of maintenance is a cost factor. So you're going to get a reduced cost and an overall reduced amount of maintenance time. When you use a genuine Perkins part, you'll get the warranty protection for your engine that you deserve and you're entitled to. You're going to ensure that the parts can fit, and you're going to ensure that the part will perform, supporting a more manageable, cost-effective maintenance strategy over the lifetime of an engine.